Hello, my dear students. Hope you are doing your studies well. Welcome back to the science class. Today we are going to start chapter number 6, Soil.
Soil.
Today, we will learn about the thing that covers the land's surface on the earth. Yes, your guess is right. Soil. Soil is very important for life on earth because all the plants grow on soil and animals, including human beings, are dependent on plants for food and oxygen. Let's learn more about the soil with our teacher in the science class.
Okay, can anyone tell me what soil is made up of?
It is made up of tiny bits of stones and mud.
Apart from bits of stones and mud, it is made up of dead plants and animals, water and some air. Soil is formed by wearing away of stones and rocks by wind, water and roots of plants. After thousands of years, they are converted into a fine powder called sand. When this sand mixes with organic matter, it is called soil. Soil formation is a continuous process in the nature. Soil supports plant growth. Types of soil. Depending on the size, feel and color of the soil particles, there are mainly three types of soil: gravel, sand and clay. Gravel is full of tiny stones and bits of rocks and does not hold water. Sand. The particles are much smaller. It is light and dry. Water passes through the soil easily. Clay. In this, the soil particles are very fine. When the clay becomes heavy and sticky, water does not flow freely in this type of soil. In the garden, the dead remain of plants and animals called humus is mixed with the clay and sand, which makes it very fertile. This is called loam. Soil erosion. Have you ever seen the running water in a muddy ground?
Yes, ma'am. We see it in the rainy season.
What do you observe?
The rainwater flows like a smaller river and makes a mark on the ground. After it dries up, we see some stones there.
Very good. Soil erosion means a slow and steady loss of the topsoil. The removal of the fertile topsoil by the action of wind and water is called soil erosion. Growth of plant life is mostly supported by the topsoil, which is fertile. Any loss of this topsoil is very dangerous for life on earth. Causes of soil erosion are floods, cutting of trees in forests, strong winds, heavy rains, incorrect method of agriculture. Protection of the soil. More trees should be planted in forests and along riverbeds. Trees and bushes should be planted in open land to stop the blowing away of the topsoil in strong winds. To stop floods, dams should be built and rivers should be linked. Step farming should be followed in mountains. Different crops should be cultivated in rotation in the fields to maintain the fertility of the soil. This is called crop rotation.